What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is just an update after my unboxing of the tranny cooler, the 40K. What I ended up having to do was these brackets it comes with. I had to bend it like that, bolt there and a bolt there. Down here, bend it in a L shape, bolt there, bolt here. And down here, I didn't have a hole. I had to drill one and just use one of these self-tapping screws in there. And I just repeated the same thing on the other side. This one was a little crooked, but you know, looks don't matter. As long as it works, it works. I'm not running any AC, so I was able to put it behind this, where the hood latch is at, this little frame support, I guess. I was able to put it behind it with, I don't know if y'all can see that, there's a little bit of clearance. You can fit a finger in there. So yeah, that 4-foot piece of hose that it comes with was only enough for one of my lines. So I had another piece laying around in my house from previous use, so I just reused it and got both of them working. It was these pieces right here, this one. Well, let me grab the rest. So we have a small one, or two small ones actually, right here. These, for my application, I did not need, so we have this one I also didn't use, and we had 3 of these. I used 2, and the third one, well, I didn't need, so I'll just have as backup, or in case I do it to my other truck. So there you go. Just stick it in the hose, put a clamp on it, screw it in. I did use some of that, not sure what it's called, that white tape. It's like really thin tape, using like water pipes and all that, just to be sure. Put some of that and then screwed it in. Yep. Screw it in. What else? Same thing on the other side. Ran my lines in through here, because like I said, I'm not running AC in this truck, so I just have my radiator back there, and now my trans cooler. So perfect for my application. And I ran it back here through that same hole right there, right here. Came on through to this side, and what I did, I don't know if it's right or if it's gonna affect it in some way, but the little thin metal piping that it comes with to go into this style of cooler, it was a section about 6 inches. I cut that off, cut it in half. So in here, there's about 3 inches going this way, 3 inches going that way, and then I just clamped it on and united them. So far, because I did take it for a test drive, turned it on, let it heat cycle, and then took it out for a drive. No leaks after I turned it on or after the ride. So hopefully we have no problems tomorrow. I will take this truck to work, and if I have a problem or something happens, well, I'll update y'all and make another video on that. But so far, it's doing good. And then the rest is how I had it originally, going all the way back to my transmission. So boom, that's good. This one right here, and down here, I didn't cap them off or anything. I just unplugged the ones I had in there previously, and then just did this conversion to the 40K. I don't know if I'm gonna have a problem with that either or not later on, but I'm gonna leave them like that for now. Nothing comes out of them, nothing leaks, so I'm assuming it's empty in here and there's nothing else that's gonna leak, so should be good. Yeah, there you go. I mean, it is just a transmission cooler. I didn't notice a difference in the driving, or at least not yet. Tomorrow I have about 10-15 minutes of freeway driving, so I'll check that out, see how it goes, and if I have a problem or notice something different, I'll make a video on that. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Pretty simple. I know I was gonna record while I did my install, but it was really simple. I just assumed that I could just run y'all through it and y'all get the hang of it. The way I did it is not gonna be the same for every truck, obviously. Some people might have an OBS but have a AC condenser, so you might have to mount it in front of this bracket right here, or you know, you might have another style truck, brackets different, or so yeah. But for the most part, my application, this was what was easiest for me, and so far it's working for me. No leaking, like I said, no nothing. But then again, it is just the first day. So tomorrow, because I will make that round trip to downtown Dallas and back, so that's about roughly 10 to 15 minutes. I'll update y'all after that, see if I experience any problems. And right now I'm in Texas and it's the middle of summer, so I guess they said when I get out of work tomorrow it's gonna be around 103, 105, something like that. So, you know, let's see how this holds up in the heat, see if I notice anything, my transmission acting up or anything. But most likely it's not, because it's comparison with my hand, it's about maybe 1.5 feet, 2 foot long, compared to that thin part inside of the radiator. So I mean, this is a big difference. So and one thing I wasn't sure about when I turned on the truck and heat cycled it, I mean, you can't see inside these things, right? So you can't see the oil. So because it comes in through here, that's my feed side, and then that's gonna be my cold side, or at least that's what the instruction says. So that's how I hooked it up, feeding through here, hot oil, and then the cooled off oil comes out of here and returns back to the transmission. So if I'm not mistaken, that's the correct way. That's how I did it, because I was looking up videos just to make sure. I assumed that's how it was, but I didn't want to mess it up, so looked up some videos and some forums and read the instructions again, and I ended up going hot side here, cold side here. So that's what I did, guys. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Again, comment, like, subscribe. I'm gonna put my Instagram on the what's it called, on the bottom of the video, my description. I'm gonna link I'm gonna put my Instagram. Y'all make sure to follow me, so y'all can see I just have pictures of my truck on there so far, some videos of it idling with the cam. I'll be posting more on there as well, little small things that ain't long enough for like a video on YouTube. I'll just post on my Instagram if y'all want to keep up with that. But make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna keep saying that. And yeah, guys, catch you on the next one.